Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. So I'm going to show you how I install this crochet hair using Brazilian wool. Of course, I use color black and brown. Okay, so you have to start by cutting the wool to your desired length. Okay, so for me, I wanted the tips of the hair, or rather the wool, to have color, and that is why I decided to cut the brown color longer than the black one. So you decide on what you want. If you want the tips of the hair to look black, then you just go ahead and cut the black one longer than the colored wool. So you're going to be using whichever color that you want. So for me, I just wanted to add some highlights onto the hair, okay, just to give it a bit of some color, okay, and that was just about it. So I'm hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And if you will, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So loves, right about now I'm just combing the hair, or rather the wool, just to make sure that it is nice and stretched out, okay, and then after that I'll just go ahead and start installing their hair. So hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yana Tungo. If it's the first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So guys, this is my braiding pattern, which is pretty much simple, okay, and of course anyone can do this braiding pattern as it's simple and just straight to the point, okay. So back to the installation process. Of course, you'll need to have your crochet pin or your crochet needle, whichever way you want to call it, okay. So right about now I'm just installing the hair. So I'm just crocheting the wool underneath my cornrow. The size of wool that I'll be crocheting at the back side of the hair is different from what I'll be crocheting at the front, okay. So just take note of that, because at the back I'll be using some slightly bigger pieces of hair, because again I want the hair to look full and also to hide in the cornrows, okay. So that is the trick that I normally use, okay lovey. So just keep on watching, because once we reach at the front side of the hair, we're going to be using another trick, okay, in terms of the sizes of hair and the way I'll be adding in the brown hair, okay, because you're not going to have too much brown hair at the front. So just keep on watching and you'll see exactly what I mean. And again, I'm hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And if you will, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will truly appreciate it. You can help me share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will appreciate all your support. So just keep on watching the video. I'll get back to you once I reach the front part of the hair.
If I can't have you, who else am I gonna hold on to? I'm falling apart and you'll never know. It's all I think of when I'm alone. And if I'm free, why do I feel so bound to you? Bound to you, no. If I'm broken hearted, and when you push me too far, why can't you fix me? Why can't you fix me?
Okay lovely, so I am back, and just like I've told you earlier, I'll be crocheting the black piece of wool at the front part of the hair. So for the brown, I'll be adding just like maybe 1 time or 2 times, just to add some highlights. So most of the color that I'll be crocheting at the front part of the hair is the color black, okay. Again, it will now depend with how you want yours to be. If you want more of the colored wool, of course you can go ahead and do that. So for me, I'll be adding more of the black color at the front part of the hair, and for the brown color I'll just be crocheting like a 1 or 2 times. And another thing that you should take into consideration is that when you be crocheting at the front part, please make sure that the pieces of wool are slightly small, okay, than the ones you did at the back, because again you want the hair to look seamless and you don't want again to have so many big knots at the front side of the hair. So just keep on watching the video. Another important thing that I forgot to mention is that when you'll be crocheting, especially at the front part of the hair, please make sure that the hair, or rather the wool, are closer. Crochet the hair closer to each other, just to have you hide the knots. And that was just about it, guys. So please take note of that, okay? So if you want the hair to look seamless, especially at the front part of the hair, please crochet smaller size and have them close to each other so that you can hide the knot and all that stuff. And just to let you know, I use 1 pack of color black, okay, and for the colored wool I use a half a bundle. So in short, I use 1.5 bundles of Brazilian wool to achieve this hairstyle. So guys, that simply means that this hairstyle is super affordable, because again 1 bundle of Brazilian wool is retailing between 80 bob to 100 depending on the beauty store. And let me know in the comment section down below if you're going to give this hairstyle a try, okay? And again, I know you're going to ask me, so for how long am I going to keep this hair? So the longest time that I can have this hair is up to like 2 weeks, and that's about it, okay? Okay, love, so right about now I'm just filling in the spaces, okay, because I don't want to have some gaps here and there. Just like I've told you earlier, I love when my hair is full, okay? So I'm just filling in the spaces, and then after that I'll just tease the front side of the hair just to make it look natural, and it will also help to hide the knots, because again, if you want the hair to look natural, please just go ahead and tease, especially at the front part, okay? Like for me, I'm not going to be putting the hair into like a high ponytail, so I'll just be teasing the front part, and that's about it, guys. So just keep on watching the video, and I'm hoping that you are going to find this tutorial helpful. And again, I cannot wait for you all to see the finished look, which I'm super excited for you all to see, because the hair turned out so beautiful. So just keep on watching the video, and I'm hoping that you are going to learn a thing or two. So loves, for maintaining the hair, I will be spraying a mixture of water and leave-in treatment, okay? And after that, I'll run my fingers through the hair just to detangle it. Then once that is done, I'll be combing the hair. So I'm using my wide tooth comb to comb the hair, because it will it really runs smoothly into the hair. So make sure you use a wide tooth comb to comb this hair. And this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I truly appreciate you guys for staying up to this point. So see you guys in my next one. Bye for now, and take care.